In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel Interac e-Transfer on Scotiabank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to manage any Interac e-Transfers that you have initiated through the Scotiabank and cancel them, all that you have to do is open the latest version of their mobile app. Inside of the latest version of the Scotiabank mobile app, tap the Move Money option on the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. Within Move Money, you will be able to find the Interac e-Transfer option. So, touch on Interac e-Transfer and you will get the usual prompts to start a new transfer. All that you have to do is switch from Send or Request to Manage. So choose Manage at the top of the screen and you will be able to see all of the pending Interac e-Transfers that you have initiated. Now, you just have to tap on any of these pending transfers. When you tap on any of these, you will see details like the amount, the full name, the contact details, and so on. And if you scroll all the way down, on the last option, you will find Cancel this transfer. You will only be able to cancel an Interac e-Transfer if you see this option. If this is grayed out or you don't see it or it gives you an error upon tapping it, it means that you will not be able to cancel that specific Interac e-Transfer. But if you see the option to cancel, just tap on it. You will confirm the amount of money that is going to be deposited back into your account, and you can choose in which account it is going to be deposited. Usually it is going to select the one that you sent the money with, but you can change if necessary. So just go ahead, slide to deposit at the bottom after you confirm the amount and the account, and you will see this information screen. Your money has been deposited back. The reference number, the new account balance, and the date. You can return to manage transfers and repeat this process as many times as you need, and you will be able to cancel any Interac e-Transfers that you see pending on Scotiabank. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel Interac e-Transfer on Scotiabank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.